Goal setting related to time. When we set a goal, we also set a time to achieve the goal. There can be different types of goals, namely, daily, monthly, yearly and lifetime goals. Many people only set a lifetime goal. They simply do not know that to achieve the lifetime goal, it is essential to succeed in the daily, monthly or yearly goals. These small goals pave the way to a lifetime success. Achievement is the final and the largest goal of life, the goal that you generally set as a long-term goal. When you achieve something in life, it means that you have finally reached the target that you set in your life. Achievement of something brings a sense of satisfaction within you and derives the pleasure from all the hard work given to achieve this success. In other words, it is the fulfillment of the lifetime goal. Limiting goals are something that limits you to a thing. For example, if you want to cut down your intake of alcohol, then you limit yourself to 1 peg daily and ultimately leave drinking. This is how limiting goals work, where you limit yourself to a certain thing. Rate goal is another type of goal. A work done depends on time. For instance, writing 1 article per day and then increasing it to 2, 3, 4 and more with time, maintaining consistency in writing. This is such a goal that you set and increase with over time. Action goals are yet another type of goal that you can set to undertake a task. Generally, an action goal is a part of achievement goal and paves the way to achievement goal. Finally, the main point to keep in mind is that whatever be your goal, it is important for you to realize the potential within you. You can dream to reach the sun or set it as a goal, but this is not possible in reality. Therefore, only dream of the goal that is possible to attain. Then, break down your achievement goal into small action goals to shoot the star. Among all the goals stated here, achievement goal is the most common and most understood by people. However, people know of the other goals too, but not by their names. Here, after reading this, they can know the names of these goals and fix their eyes on the goals specifically. The final words say: set a goal to lead a happier and confusion-free life.